The math is so wrong. I totally gamed this game and I exploited it such and such this way and that way. Like, bro, give me a break. You know what I'm saying? You go make a game. Tell me how it's done. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Brandon Ferrantino and I am an indie game dev. Next month, October, is Steam Next Fest, and we finally have a demo ready for everybody for Idle Streaming Bonanza. No one knows about this game. Can you believe that? It's crazy, huh? I've been working on Idle Streaming Bonanza for about a year now. It'll be a year next month. Year of my time wasted on something. I don't know if it's going to be successful or not. Probably not, but it was a good learning experience. I never made an idle game before, and I'm excited to see the outcome. I know there's a good community of people who like playing these types of games, and I hope they like my little take on it. But we're gonna go ahead and do a devlog about what I've added since our last update. First things first, an Idle Streaming Bonanza. I got a new title screen. The first one I didn't like too much. This one's okay looking. You know, I kind of wanted to go for like that early 90s vibe with computers. You know, I was born in the 90s, but I'm an old man. I like old things. So we got the old Gateway computer and the Gateway mouse pad and the 90s CRT TV. I'm all about that. All right, going to the demo. We added a loading screen. Nothing fancy, super simple. I made a pop-up tutorial system, and I'm actually going to do a tutorial on how to do a pop-up tutorial. Actually, just tutorials in general. So stay tuned for that. Anyways, so we have a little pop-up tutorial, just kind of gives you the breakdown on how the game works, tells you about the powers, how to use viewers to get skill points, how to use your skill points in the skill tree, and talks about how offline progression works as far as earning money. And then we exit. Here's a character selector. Currently for the demo, we're only gonna have CQX. Everybody else, Smokey Payne, Aspen Silver, Dr. Diddles, and Tiny Timmy, they're not gonna be available. I just haven't done anything besides draw the initial caricature for it. CQX, I still have to do the voice acting, and that's gonna be a tough one because I don't know if I can stutter like that. So we got animations for CQX. I'm working on him yapping his little mouth and maybe slamming on the desk or like something in front of him. Just different little actions and little voice lines that he's known for saying will pop up every now and then. Every time you do like a certain action or whatever that is performed. Pop-ups, when they pop up, you type in the inputs, land them correctly, you're in a streak. It's up here. That streak multiplies the amount of biddies that you earn. So I have 2 here. If the biddies were to drop now, I would it would multiply by 2 and I would earn 20 biddies, and then it would drop and I would get donations according to that. So we're gonna dump what we got into our skills. Check this out. Look, woo, yay, we're earning money. Now what this skill does is it increases the base at which you earn. So at the beginning you saw we were only earning 1 biddy per time. Every time you upgrade, it increases the amount of passive building, and then you can also combine that with the streak and everything else in the skill tree, and in combination with your different powers, you will earn more money. The tip jar will slide across the screen by itself. It'll collect biddies as they fall. Mods are interesting. You can add different modifications to your mods. You keep spawning these guys in. There is a cap of which how many you can spawn into the world, and after a while they stop spawning and then they just add to the base. They add to the base to begin with anyways, but they'll just stop spawning because eventually you'll just have, you know, just a colored mess and it'll just look crappy. So mods, they will also catch and interact with biddies that drop, and they actually, if they just fall onto the mods will catch them instead of the default base floor calculating and you get in the default for the base floor. If a mod catches a bit, it multiplies it by its base. Sub upgrades, so if you buy the sub upgrade, every I think it's like 5 seconds, a notification will pop up on the screen new sub, you'll earn money. And that is also increased. The base is increased for that as well. Every time you buy an item, the base is increased. We also have the shuriken upgrade. I don't know why I chose shurikens. Thought they looked cool. It's not supposed to be bouncing right now, so that's something I gotta fix. The bounce is actually an upgrade power, but same deal. You can buy multiple ones. Each character will have specific game objects relative to their like persona or their their style, whatever. I just chose shuriken for like debugging, so I don't know, for him or for Moki Pain it'd be like a cookie flying across the screen, or like a juice box for juicers, you know what I'm saying. The party ball is just another way to earn. Mods will bounce it around. You can also click on it and bounce it. So let's say if it gets stuck or you just want to fidget, you just click on it and do all that. There are upgrades for the ball, like buying multiple balls, or giving it like an extra bounce. I'll show you. All right, here's the skill tree. This thing was a pain in the ass to make, and yeah. So I think for my first skill tree, it wasn't too bad. Like a lot of things in this game are my first time implementing. Yeah, it's just the first time of me doing it, so I definitely learned a lot on this game. I'm sure it's super scuffed, and I'm sure I'm gonna catch some flame from some internet asshole like, the math is so wrong. I totally gamed this game, and I exploited it such and such this way and that way. Like, bro, give me a break. You know what I'm saying? You go make a game, tell me how it's done. Actually, a lot of the math I got from, if you're interested in making an incremental game, there's this guy, I forgot his name, it's like Concertia Corna something. I'll have it popped up right now, you guys can check it out. He goes through how idle games use math and is explained. He made an idle game as well. Not sure how that one did, but I damn sure went through his like math tutorials and checked that out, because me big dumb, I don't know math. So here we are with the skill tree. These up here, these input buffs, tip jar buff, if you were to buy one of these, it actually increases the base by 2. So this, remember I said whenever you buy an upgrade, this will increase the base by like 5, or it increases it dramatically. But if you buy one of these, it increases it just by 2, like a tad bit, you know what I'm saying? Going on, there's different skill trees. This will increase like the streak. So if you get increment of 10, it'll award you 2 more, 5, 10, and then for each 10 streak that you get, you earn a viewer, and every 10 viewers that you get a skill point. So you could use this to benefit yourself by like gaming, I guess, like getting more skill points, you know what I mean? So whenever you unlock 10, you're earning double, and just get double viewers, and you're reaching 10 faster, so you're unlocking more skills faster. This one multiplies the amount of biddies that are paid out by 2, and so on and so forth. Double cups, obvious, you get double cups. This increases the money earned from the tip cups collecting, and this one will shoot a ball out. Should anyways. Yeah, they shoot little balls out. I'm gonna change the image for that because I don't like how the party ball and the balls look the same, so keep in mind changes will be coming. And my favorite part of the skill tree is the mod setting. So mods can go different routes, and I plan on making more skill tree power-ups later on in the future, probably for like after game release, like post game release. But first power, mod fireworks. Mods will start shooting mortars up in the sky, like firework mortars, and they'll pop, and it'll help you gather biddies as well. Then you can turn them into swords. You can turn them into look at that, I misspelled fireworks to fairworks. Yeah, you can turn them into swords. Bigger swords, they rotate. You can make sludge bombs, meteors that will spawn out of the sky. thunderbolts that'll crash down. We'll go ahead and give you an example. Here's the firework one. See how the fireworks travel upwards and they explode on collecting biddies. Now, yeah, you can turn them into swords. And now instead of fireworks, they split off. You do in all cardinal directions. And you can also do octagonal directions. Ooh. And then you know, add a little steez to them, make them spin too. Look at that. Now we're cooking. This is sub powers. Just generates increases the possible range of viewers that you get. So instead of whenever you reach a streak of 10, instead of possibility of 2 to 5 viewers that you earn, you get 2 to 10. So now you have a greater chance of earning more skill points and whatnot. This increases the mod's base earning to 30, and this increases the possible viewers to 20, and base subscriber earnings to 16. So yeah, so just more possibilities for earning. Where am I pulling these numbers out? I don't know, honestly. Yeah, here are the shuriken powers. You can summon 3 of them, add a bounce to it, like I said, and then an arc. The balls, I think the balls are my favorite, the party balls. You can spawn in more party balls. I added in a little effect where they double bounce. It just looks like a shit show on screen. It's so crazy. It's so stupid to see. Yeah, this last one, they shoot spikes from the ball, so it's just more shit earning. We added a menu under construction. Like I said, the store I'm working on, skins working on, mini games. We have one mini game. I'm just not implementing it right now for the demo. Saving is disabled, but we do have saving, a save system. It saves all your items, all of your skill tree stuff that's been unlocked, all of the stuff that's on the screen saved and will repopulate when the game is loaded. Again, we got bug reports. You can click on there, give some feedback on the game, or say it sucks, whatever. Twitch, Discord, Twitter. Check out the Discord. Join the Discord if you want to talk about the game or just have some ideas for it. You know, just whatever. Guys, please check out the game on Steam. I do appreciate you watching. You can go to the link in the description below. Wishlist the game if you're interested. The demo is coming out soon, and yeah, I think it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun to see how people react to it, and I can't wait to start getting the voice lines in there, because I think that's what's gonna make the game really shine, is when the characters just start interacting and spouting their nonsense. But other than that, guys, do appreciate you coming in, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.